All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, to staking the coin, to using that credit card for BlockFi credit card, get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency ANKR. This cryptocurrency is in a good position, a lot of good utilities for it. We're going to go to the website, go to their Twitter account, do a price prediction. ANKR is up right this second, which is fantastic. So we're going to do a little deep dive into ANKR. Also, we're going to be talking about the Super Bowl, which is only a couple days away. Why am I doing this again? I'm going to do it every day up until Sunday. Let's talk about it for a second. FTX is giving away Bitcoin. I mean, they're saying $1 million to $1.5 million worth of Bitcoin is going to be given out this Sunday for the Super Bowl. And FTX, and I'm just going to kind of cover that for a second, just to let all the viewers know. If you're not into the Super Bowl, but you're into crypto and you're on this channel, you may want to watch the Super Bowl and get the app. What if you happen to be one of the winners of the Bitcoin? I mean, I don't know. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own cryptocurrency, understand it, and try to get financial freedom with cryptocurrency. Making money with Drip Network, 1% every single day. We're going to link a video at the end of the video about that. Let's head over to ANKR Crypto. All right, over here, Coin Market. It's been a couple weeks since I've done ANKR. But here we go. Up to one of my favorite coins. Up 10% in the last 24 hours, in the last 7 days. Fantastic. Clicking it, it's 109. It's actually ranked higher than Dogecoin Mars. It's down 3% for the day. It's at 8 cents. 08189. In the last 24 hours, it's dropped a little bit, but in 7 days, it's on a up. 7 days ago, it was right here. What was it at? It was at 7 cents, and now it's at 81 cents. So it's 7.3 cents. So it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. ANKR cryptocurrency. How about the holders? Is there a lot of holders of the ANKR? Click in 3 months. All right, 90 days ago, 30,000 people holding the ANKR. More people holding the AMP token than ANKR. ANKR's got a lot of utilities. 30,000. And today, 90 days later, 32,000, almost 33. So 33, so about 10%. So 9 to 10% increase in holders in just the last 90 days. Still being up is better than not being up. All right, over here at the Twitter account 3 hours ago, you know it's all about decentralization. This is great. This is a public GEO distributed decentralized IOTEX IO RPC comprised of many independent blockchain nodes running worldwide. Completely decentralized. Fantastic, everybody. It says right here, get your premium plan. You can click right here and get a better plan with ANKR. That the ANKR protocol premium, you can unlock prioritize requests in time of congestions. Now, ANKR becomes the default infrastructure powered by the CHILIZ chain. CC2 will be the border adoption of the blockchain technology across the sports and entertainment. ANKR will help bring the vision to life. All right. They got their ANKR airdrops going out. ANKR airdrops for parachain contributors over on the Polkadot chain. Fantastic. All right, over here at the website, ANKR. It's a multi-chain foundation for crypto economy. ANKR is the only platform that combines node infrastructure, staking, and DeFi to make development and earning easy. Your next step in crypto starts here. If you're a crypto investor, you click it. Guess where it takes you to? ANKR Earn Liquid Staking. So if you're an investor, it takes you to the staking protocol. Why stake with ANKR? ANKR's ETH2 staking solution provides the best experience, highest level of safety, combined with the attractive reward mechanism and instant staking liquidity through a bond-like systematic token called AETHC. So you got a couple things here. The micro pools. Stake as little as a half of an ETH pool with other stakers while enjoying the same ROI. Staker manager. Send all your ETH in one transaction and protocol will automatically allocate your funds to the best pool. Staking liquidity. With your AETHC, you can hold and trade your staked assets at any time without having to wait until the transactions are enabled on Ethereum 2.0. And then, of course, security. Let's go ahead and play this. This is pretty big right here.
Staking Ethereum presents many barriers: the amount of ETH, the technical demands, and continual node management. Staker removes all of these barriers instantly. Visit staker.io. Click Launch App button. Select Wallet. We support the most commonly used wallets, like MetaMask for desktop and Trust Wallet for mobile. Make sure you've selected the Ethereum main network. The slider lets you select anything from 0.5 to however much Ethereum you have in your wallet. Click Stake, and Staker will stake your Ethereum automatically to the nodes with the highest reputation, all decentralized. Unlike other services, your original stake can never be slashed. Stay safe with Staker. Once staked, you will automatically receive AETH tokens, which represent your staked ETH, plus rewards, and are immediately liquid. You can trade them on Uniswap, use them in DeFi protocols, and more. Visit our dashboard daily to see how much rewards you earned. Staker, staking simplified.
You know, the part that's interesting about that is it's going to stake it in the best pool, and it's going to put it where it's going to make you the most money. I mean, it's kind of like almost like an artificial intelligence. That's pretty awesome. So ANKR, we'll come back and do a price prediction. A lot of good stuff going on with ANKR. Like this cryptocurrency. We'll do a price prediction at the end. But now we want to talk about SuperBowl, Crypto Bowl, winning Bitcoins and stuff like that. So we're bringing this to everybody's attention. You may not all be in the football, but you're in the cryptocurrency. And if on Sunday there's an event going on that they're giving out cryptocurrency and you're into cryptocurrency, you would want to know about that event, even if you're not into football. So if you're not into football, you are now. Why are you now? Because now they're giving out digital assets, digital cryptocurrency, just from watching the Super Bowl. Let's head over to this article with FTX. Crypto.com, FTX are both doing a lot of stuff, but FTX is the one that's giving out the money, giving out the Bitcoin. All right, here it is. FTX will give out a free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. Here's how to enter. One of the world's leading crypto exchanges has announced it will be giving out a free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. Well, I think it's more than a free Bitcoin. Why? Here's why. We're giving out some Bitcoin away. How much? Look what they say. How much? $1 million worth. Listen, a Bitcoin's not worth $1 million. $1 million worth to $1.5 million worth. We don't actually know yet. The later our big game and ads on the air, the more Bitcoin you can win. See you on Sunday. FTX contest. You click right there. No purchase is necessary. Oh, wow. There's going to be $1 million to $1.5 million given out on Sunday, and there's no purchase necessary. Do you see why we're bringing this every single day up until Sunday? I know, literally, that things are going awesome, but we want to know about this giveaway cryptocurrency. So it says right here, the crypto exchange took to Twitter, announced that it will give away free Bitcoin to 4 lucky winners. Now, each winner will receive the Bitcoin deposit into their FTX account. The amount of the Bitcoin will be deposited will equal the ETA time. What does that mean, the time? Here, I'll play this so you can see.
I've missed out on talking for 33 years, but I'm not missing out this Sunday. FTX is giving away the time their ad runs in Bitcoin, and I'm going to win. For charity.
So that advertisement you're probably going to see on Saturday or all day Sunday before the Super Bowl, gearing people up to win the Bitcoin. But you have to have an FTX account. The amount of Bitcoin that will be deposited in the FTX account. So just wanted to bring that to you. Also, all right, I got to bring this up. This is an FTX commercial. Since FTX is giving out $1 million to $1.5 million on Sunday, I might as well play one of their advertisements. If you're not familiar with FTX, Tom Brady partnered up with them as a spokesperson this whole year. Here we go. Tom Brady played for the Patriots, won all kinds of Super Bowls. He played for Tampa Bay, won a Super Bowl last year, just retired.
Want to do one more?
Hang on. There's a possibility of a trade.
Tom Brady wants a trade. Could he be coming home?
What did I say?
Oh my God, Brady!
Yeah, trade. We're telling everyone.
I heard she wants to be in LA.
$2, go. I'm hearing Denver.
I give you the new City Hall. Take that, Tampa.
A trade? Are you sure?
Not a trade. I'm trading crypto. FTX is the safest and easiest way to buy and sell crypto. It's the best way to get in the game.
Just trading crypto. Oh.
Hey, y'all. It's not coming. Not coming.
So there's Tom Brady talking about what he's getting into. He's getting into a trade, cryptocurrency. We've been seeing this advertisement all year long on the football season. And now FTX is giving out $1.5 million or $1 million in Bitcoin on Sunday. Yes, you heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner every day up until Sunday. So if you haven't heard it on the TV, if you haven't heard it from your friend, you've heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner. Let's try to win some Bitcoin, everybody. All right, let's head back over to Anchor for a price prediction. All right, I'm gonna use this article, and then I'll do my own price prediction. Anchor price prediction, an attractive coin to watch. So they got Anchor price prediction. Here we go, Anchor's price prediction. According to Wallet Investors, Anchor's price prediction could rise as high as 16 cents by the time the year ends, and 51 cents in 5 years. So that's Wallet Investors thinking it's 16 cents up to 51 cents in the next 5 years. Digital Coin is saying right here that in 2022 it could go as high as 10 cents. It's saying in 2023 it could go as high as 12 cents. And it's saying in 2026 it could go as high as 15 cents. And the coin's sitting at 8 cents right now. And last one, according to Anchor's forecast, Trading Beast, the price of Anchor coin may only modest growth over the next couple years. An increase of 0.1 by the end of 2022. So that'll go to 10 cents, from 8 cents to 10 cents. And they're saying 13 cents by the year 2024. All right, those are their price predictions. All right, what's our price prediction, Frank, from Frank's Crypto Corner? It's at 8 cents. I'm thinking it can go up to 9 cents. All our information is for educational purposes only, maybe the next month or two. Again, a lot of good stuff going on with Anchor. Their platform is fantastic. People like them. You can build on it. Jump over to Anchor to check out everything, everybody. And Anchor cryptocurrency, 109 right here. Again, up 7.5%. All right, what's more exciting, Anchor cryptocurrency or winning Bitcoins on Sunday? I know 1 million to 1.5 million's got to get everybody excited. You're going to have an FTX account in order to get that Bitcoin deposited. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. All our information is for educational purposes only on this channel. We do this for fun. We're not financial planners. We're just all friends here. All right. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and click right over here to see Drip Network to get 1% every single day on your initial investment. I'm doing pretty good with Drip myself. I told you we're going to be bringing you passive income opportunities in crypto and making money from home opportunities with crypto and all kinds of things. All right, everybody. Have a fantastic day. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you tomorrow.